Hey Tattoo, what should we show the YouTube people today?
I think we should show them how to install this bidet.
I think it's a great idea. In my guest bathroom, I'm going to install this Hibbent Bidet that you can attach to your regular toilet. No special anything required, no electrical or anything. The first thing I'm going to do is turn off the water supply to the toilet. Then flush the toilet and remove as much of the water from the back tank that you possibly can. And I'm putting a pan down here just in case there's any water that leaks out. Next, I will disconnect the main water line going to the tank, make sure it's fully drained so that I don't have any surprises, and making sure that the washer is still intact in the back. Then it's time to remove the toilet seat. Simply unscrew it. Each toilet seat is going to be a little bit different, but there is going to be some sort of device underneath that holds things together. And this looks totally disgusting, I have to admit it, but a little bit of cleaning that helps fix things very fast. Here is the bidet part itself. It's very easy to insert and install, let's say. And in this particular model, you're able to add and remove it very easily with this locking and unlocking mechanism that I'm about to show you right here. It's unlocked and then locked. You can remove it for easy cleaning of your toilet and that type of thing. So place it over the holes of the toilet bowl to make sure that everything lines up. Then using the original screws of your toilet seat, place it in place and then screw on those little nuts that go on to the underside, and make sure that everything is nice and secured and tight so that you don't have any kind of shifting of the toilet seat throughout time. Then just close the protective caps and you're good. Now I'm going to make sure I insert this washer that came with the kit to add to the T connector that I'm going to place on the main water line that comes in. Screw it on nice and securely so you don't have any leaks there. Leaks are the main thing that you want to look out for here. Then I'm going to insert the water line that goes into the tank. You can just tighten this by hand and then just make sure with a little bit of pressure with some pliers that you have it extra secure so that you don't have any kind of leaks. After that, we're going to insert the line that goes to the bidet itself. This line does come with the kit. And again, I'm hand tightening and then using some pliers just to make sure that everything is totally secure. Make sure you have all the necessary washers in place. Then I connect that line to the bidet itself and connect that once again, hand tightening and then just double securing it with some plier tightening, and then turn on your water supply. At this point, your tank should fill up and you should check to make sure you don't have any kind of leaks. I made sure any of the hoses that I replaced, I didn't have any leaks coming out, and everything looked really good, as well as on the hose that goes to the bidet itself. And then we're good to go. So let's take a look at how this thing works. So on the controls, you have a feature where you have, in this particular model, you have four buttons. One is the self-cleaning button, which is going to clean the little spout thing on its own. And then you have a bottom cleaning for your bidet. That's for any gender. Then you have a front cleaning for your female gender. And you also have a knob that you can turn where you can adjust the pressure, and then there's an off button. This bidet was super easy to install and is super amazing. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also check out some of my other DIY projects I have on my DIY playlist. In the meantime, we will see you next time.